You all have noticed how price moves sideways for hours, then suddenly explodes up or down. That's not random. That's the Wyckoff cycle: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. And once you understand it, you'll see the hidden playbook institutions use to move the market every single day. Most retail traders see a sideways market and get bored, but professionals know this is the calm before the storm, the part of the cycle where smart money quietly positions itself. If you don't understand this cycle, you'll keep entering too early, buying when institutions are selling, or selling when they're preparing to buy. The Wyckoff cycle has 3 key phases you need to spot. Accumulation. This is where institutions quietly buy at cheap prices after a downtrend. Price moves sideways in a range, shaking out weak traders and building liquidity. Manipulation. Spring. This is the trap. Price suddenly breaks below the range to trigger stop losses, making retail traders think the downtrend continues. But it's a fake out. The spring loads the market for the real move upward. Distribution. After accumulation, institutions push price upward, creating a strong rally. But once price is high, they start unloading their positions. That's when the cycle flips and a downtrend begins again. Spotting Wyckoff cycles requires precise timing and accurate market data. The manipulation phase can happen in seconds. Fake breakouts, springs, and volume spikes that separate profitable trades from costly mistakes. Without low latency data and reliable order execution, you'll miss these critical moments. That's why choosing the right broker is essential for Wyckoff trading success. Visit our comprehensive broker research, where our team has analyzed and picked the best brokers for pattern recognition and fast execution. You can also compare multiple brokers side by side using our state-of-the-art comparison tool to find the perfect match for your trading style. Real-world example. Let's say BTC USD is ranging between $80,000 and $90,000. Suddenly, price dips to $75,000, triggers stop losses, and then bounces right back into the range. That's the manipulation, the spring. Soon after, it breaks $90,000 with force and distribution begins. Retail traders sold the fake breakdown. Professionals bought the spring and rode the rally. Accumulation, manipulation, and distribution are the footprints of smart money. Once you learn to spot them, you'll stop being shaken out and start riding the real moves. If this gave you clarity on how institutions really move the market, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press bell icon to stay updated. And in the comments, tell me, have you ever been trapped by one of these fake breakouts?